the video. As you can see, I have my partner in crime, Dani, here.
Hey.
Yes, we are partnering again with Indique to bring you another fabulous video. And I'm going to let you guess as to how we achieved this look. And it's definitely one that I'm really excited about, because the hair that we use for Indique, it blends really nicely into my natural texture, and it's super versatile, as you'll see in the video to come.
I'm obsessed. Literally obsessed. The blowout texture.
You gave away the secret.
Like I was saying, obsessed.
Yes.
What?
So we're really excited to show this video to you today, because this hair texture that you're about to see from Indique, it's definitely giving something new, because it looks, I don't know, we were talking about it earlier, and you said that it's definitely giving like a different vibe than what you're seeing these days, right?
Yeah, because I'm like tired of seeing the videos with the same silky look, or that wet and wavy look, and it's like, let's get something that looks a little more natural.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely. So that's what we're going to show you in today's video, and then we're going to show you how we bring that supernatural look to this voluminous look that also looks very natural. And I hope that you enjoy it. So let's just dive right in. So look at how seamlessly this hair blends in with mine after being blown out. Like, it looks so good. I mean, Dani and I were just saying this could be the style. This can literally be the look on its own.
The look, right?
This is truly the look. Like, I love this hair texture because it's so versatile, and also it just matches my hair perfectly, from the color to the texture. Like, it really goes so nicely. And if you're looking for a really casual look, this is definitely something that I would recommend. We're obviously not done yet, but I just had to stop really quick and just admire this hair. Indique, you did something with this one. This is it. This truly is it. I love it. killed it with this hair. Like, the way that it blended so naturally in its natural state, and now it's blending insanely well after you pressed it out. It makes me so happy. I love it. Zen, yes, Zen, body.
Hello. First of all, I'm watching you in there, and it's looking amazing.
I told you I had the vision.
Amazing.
So there you have it. That was today's video. You know we got to do a little dance break to end the video. So that was it.
Yes.
But I hope that you enjoyed today's video and you saw the amazing versatility in this blown out hair by Indique. And I hope it inspires you to try a new texture and see how versatile it is and how it blends so seamlessly with your hair as well. You can ask your stylist, or you can go to Dani and get yourself
Haus
hooked up.
New Jersey.
Yes. So which look, okay, so we only did 2 looks today.
Yeah.
But which of the 2 looks do you feel was your favorite today?
Definitely this.
This one?
The body. What?
So I love this look, but I will say the part down, really casual, you know,
Just
look
the
of
blowout. Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that.
Well, that's a look too. That's an everyday casual like slay.
Exactly, exactly. And I think that's why I really liked it, because it's something that I don't see a lot of people rocking.
Right.
You know, so I was really into it. But this was fantastic, and Dani and I are definitely going to do more things with this hair.
Absolutely.
This is definitely not a one and done situation with this texture.
Throwing some color in there.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely.
A little color.
Yes. So thank you so much again for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you haven't already, make sure that you hit subscribe and that bell icon so you know my next video goes live. Thank you again, and until next time.
See you next time.